Hey Vivi, how you doing?
Good.
Awesome. Welcome to Vivi's Playtime, another video. Look who we have here with us today. Who is this guy?
Labubu.
It's Labubu. Yes. Labubu. Do you like Labubus?
Yeah.
Why do you like him?
Because the ears are so short.
Oh, they're so short?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Yeah, I think they're kind of cool, huh? Okay, good. All right, so we have this Labubu here with us. Hi. Hi, Labubu. And guess what else we have today?
What?
Guess what?
What?
Guess what we have. You don't know?
Labubu.
Another Labubu.
How much money was it?
Quite a bit. Let's find out
What one we got?
what is it. Okay.
I'm excited.
You
It might be a mystery.
Might be a mystery, right?
Yeah. Excited.
There is a package. Okay, what color do you think is going to be?
I think it's going to be teal.
This teal right here?
Yeah.
What do you guys at home think is going to be? What color?
Yeah. Comment down below.
Comment down below. Correct. All right. We're ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I see a color here. I see a color.
What color? It's purple.
Oh.
It's fuzzy.
Yes, look, and it came with this card.
What is it?
I don't know, it just says it's in. Okay, here it is, you guys. You can see. And it's sleeping.
Look at its feet.
Yeah, look at the feet. Oh, so cool.
Wait, let's see what the
What do
name
you think, Labubu? I don't know. It's sleeping. Hey, you, wake up. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey.
Let's see what the name is.
Wakey, wakey. Wakey,
Let's see what
wakey.
the name is here.
Oh, what is the name? Zizi. That's the name.
Zizi.
Yeah, Zizi.
Because it's sleeping.
Let me sleep. Let me sleep. I want to sleep.
What?
Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Guys, she's sleeping. Let me sleep. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Yeah. Somebody else wants to join the party here. Who is it? Who is it? Who is this guy?
Yarnaby!
Jarnaby! Hey everybody! Thank you for being here on View's Playtime. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please comment down below. Alright, we're about to leave now. Yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye! Let me sleep, let me sleep.